Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you latest update from JNTUH about the 10th convocation notification. So before going to the details, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from JNTUH. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today on 15th of February 2022, JNTUH have been released this new notification as you can see on screen. JNTUH Hyderabad Kukatpalli Hyderabad Telangana State notification for 10th convocation. So first I'm going to read all this notification and then I'll explain you one by one. So first we'll see the notification. The convocation of the Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad, that is JNTUH, is scheduled to be held on 26th of February 2022 on Saturday from 11 am onwards at Jawaharlal Nehru Auditorium, JNTUH campus, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. The gold medal recipient and the candidates who have applied for the award of PhD degree certificates and who have given consent or willingness to take their gold medals or PhD degree certificates on the day of 10th convocation have to report on 25th of February from 10:30 am to 5 pm at the Office of Examination Branch. The degree certificates of those who have applied in respect of the btech, bpharm, mtech, mpharm, pharmacy, MS, MBA and MSc and other courses of the academic year 2019 to 2020 and 2020 to 2021 will be dispatched directly to the candidates by speed post or couriers within a month after the convocation. Personally, they need not to attend the convocation proceedings. Date 15th of February 2022. So in this notification, they have clearly said that the 10th convocation ceremony is going to be held on 26th of February, that is Saturday from 11 am. And those who are willing to or consent for gold medal recipient, they can take their gold medals on 25th of February itself from 10:30 am to 5 pm from examination branch JNTUH Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. And those who have applied for btech, bpharm, mtech, mpharm, pharmacy, MS, MBA, MCA, MSc, those who applied for certificate, that is the original degree of the academic year 2019 to 2020 and 2020 to 2021, their original certificates will be directly dispatched to their address. So whichever address you have mentioned in your application, original degree application, so they will dispatch you directly to your address by speed post or courier within a month means. So in the month of March, you might receive your original degree. So they have clearly mentioned within a month after the convocation. That means on 26th of February, the convocation will be conducted. So it will be held on 26th of February. So after or within a month means the month of March, they will dispatch the original degrees for all btech, bpharm, mtech, mpharm or pharmacy, MCA, MBA, MSc and MS. Original degrees will be dispatched to courier within a month. So this is the latest update from JNTUH about 10th convocation ceremony, when they'll conduct and when they'll dispatch the original degrees, those who have applied in the month of November or October for 2019 to 2020 or 2020 to 2021 academic students. So hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel and you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.